Okay, mayong buntag from Surigao del Sur and Cagayan de Oro City. Mabuhay! Pinabok Falls. Ang atong Pinabok Falls sa dunay gitas una 240 feet o gado na kinikilaw mo.
Dali sila orientation gamay before mo sulod.
Na magsuot mo og life jacket. Namoy hagdan na naugan nga 355 steps. Pero pabalik unya og saka nga 350. Ato pagpabalik og saka ang medyo hangat mo sa inay-hinay lang ta. Kung magahulay ka, just remain standing. Hold the railings, inhale, exhale, and relax.
Ug karon for today's video, another rides.
Going to Surigao!
Another adventure. And another place to visit. Mga lugar nga wala nato damha ga-exist. O kung wala pa ka nakaanhi diri tara, uban ta. At sabay nating saksihan ang kanindot sa atong kinaiyahan.
Wow! 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 Ay! Wow! Woo! Ang nindong ang malibo! Woo! Yeah! Alright, what is up? So, morning rides karon. Kami pa'y nakisabay, kami pa'y champa, kami pa'y late. Ang sabot is 6 AM. Abit na La City. 6:48 na. Late comers ini ang kauban. Okay, kini makaliyok ang kauban ug pagwapa. So, ang mga kauban is nagulat na. Kami na lagi hulatan. O pa'y nakisabay. O pa'y late. Okay. So, abi na mo late nami. Kami madayon na niabot. Kaya pa sila nang abot. Tara. Abi na mo late nami. Yan sila. Wala pa si Romel.
Ay, paliton.
Wala na. Kana raisa. May abo, may igo.
Live kita mo. Hindi ka magkape, be? Daghan na tayo sa mga... Ay, ma'am niya. Sabi, pinakundi ni Manay. Ambot ninyo.
Chum na.
Kita magsigto sila.
Constant learning to flow. All the unknown lemons thrown may look different from what you've dreamed. Colors and contrast making it art. What if happy can be built, turning into all that's good. Lucky I learned what lemons can do. Lucky they led me here with you. Lucky. Funny, thought I was lacking. Then I realized all is within.
Okay, mayong buntag from Surigao del Sur and Cagayan de Oro City. Mabuhay! Pinabok Falls. Ang atong Pinabok Falls sa dunay gitas una 240 feet o gado na kinikilaw mo.
Dali sila orientation gamay before mo sulod.
Na magsuot mo og life jacket. Namoy hagdan na naugan nga 355 steps. Pero pabalik unya og saka nga 355. Kung pagpabalik og saka ang medyo hangat mo sa inay-hinay lang ta. Kung magahulay ka, just remain standing. Hold the railings, inhale, exhale, and relax.
Kasi mag-iap sa steps.
Dapat to,
Ihap daw, ihap sa step.
Kung mandigyas ka pa doon, boss, isa na to ka step. Ligid naman ka ritso. Wala ka nag-step.
One way.
So na first, anay na mo dani kay kuan. Ka ng yuta pa ni.
Gani?
Bigyas.
Kawayan.
Kawayan, yuta, kawayan ng mga wiran. Wala, gihangak na si Romel, bago pa. 10 steps pa gani, gihangak na.
Moon is watching shallow dreams. Night is rocking her to sleep. Wind whispers in the trees. Hidden secrets are hard to keep. Sunset in golden fields. Palace warrior and a queen. Lost the battle and her dreams. Hidden secrets are hard to keep. She's still waiting, holding on through the night. She's still waiting, wishing time could make it right. She is waiting. Dawn is bringing morning light. She is waiting to end this fight. Dark blue ocean in
Mga people, let's take a picture.
Heard you want to leave this place where we grew up. This old town, just put it all behind. Remember you and I would always find somewhere to hide when we were kids, so we could see and hear the water run. The river's gonna cry when you're gone. You miss the ones you know. I'll be here, hanging on, waiting for your call. Seems like time has a way of passing by and leave a mark in our minds that turn to memories. The river's gonna cry when you're gone, 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 gone. The river's gonna cry when you're gone, 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 gone. The river's gonna cry when you're gone, 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 gone. gonna cry when you're gone. Hey, I was hoping you would stay, but I've always known you would go find your own way.
Malala John, ang amo ang kuan.
Isa.
Team building slash outing slash team building. Sana yan.
Welcome to setting part daw. Eh. Sige na nga. Angat gina siya. Kabag. Pila pa. Pila pa ni katikang.
Meow, 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 meow.
Angat gid ay.
Ay, sa. Grabe ko.
Angak man di ay. Angak. Kayanin mo. Ginusto mo yarn. Ha? Ikaw isa ginawa. Olay.
Lord.
Oh, laman yung kayo, laman yung kabot pulo kalikang pero murag ganong lisod kayo paano.
Ay, muna na.
Kunti ako, ngiti asa, ngiti tagumpay nga rin, ngiti tagumpay.
Kunti na lang, giting tagumpay.
Tagumpay na kita.
Hindi ka naman ningiti. Ay, giguan naman ang gila.
Gawas man tayo na itong giligo. Dagan pa. Nya.
Hindi. Babaha ko yan.
Nya, dagan pa.
Babaya.
Dagan pa.
Yeah! Nakita na lang ako, I survive!
I survive. Woo! I survive. 355 steps. We survive. Woo! I survive. 355 steps. Kasama kayo. Woo! Yeah. Yes. Sige, sige bro.
Hindi na ako mausap.
Basa, basa. Sama.
Survive.
Go. Let's go. We're going home. Hmm.